Hi, Pádraig here at McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2021 Toyota Yaris. This is the 1 litre petrol Luna model, finished in silver metallic paint. It's got the low annual road tax, it's got a full Toyota service history, it's all 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. And now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard. It's got the 15-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with 4 brand new tyres. It's got nice clean bodywork all around also. It's got a nice sized boot for a hatchback. Protected boot liner with fold down seats for additional space. Plenty of legroom in the back. Got the Isofix for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a navy and a grey cloth interior. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning, USB port, manual handbrake. It's got a 5-speed manual gearbox, car SOS function, and there's 64,481 kilometers on the clock. At McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Yaris. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thanks very much.